Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals to a plus b to the power of number 2. So if we look carefully for x squared, that is about 2x squared. 12x, that is about number 2 multiplied by 2x and number 3 in here. Next, number 9, that's about 3 squared. So we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. Next, we can use about partial fraction. So I will put about 8 over 2x plus 3 to the power of 2 and b over 2x plus 3. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, we have the same denominator, that's it about this one in here, so we keep the same 8. About this one, it is missing about 2x plus 3, so capital B multiplied by 2x plus 3. And now we need to expand. And I will put icon here. Now we need to compare coefficients. About x, we have number 2, so 2b equals to number 2. About the numbers, we have a plus 3b equals to negative number 1. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So 8 equals to negative number 4, b equals to number 1. So we put negative number 4 and number 1 cone here. So 8 equals to negative number 4, b equals to number 1. So the integration of this one, we have number 4 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2s plus 3. And the second one, we have 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of 2s plus 3. And I will put about C. Number 2, that's the form number 2 coefficient in here. That's why we have number 2 and number 2. 4 divided by 2, we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.